Hello! I had about 30 to 45 minutes of footage filmed. Taking these guys off and cleaning them, getting the car in the air, and messing with the headlights here. As you can see, I'm trying to fix the other one. But all 30 to 45 minutes of that footage is now gone. I don't know why. My GoPro wanted to update, so it killed all my footage. But we're gonna jump back in where I left off and just kind of give you a rundown. So this headlight, it works now. It's in. It's good. The wheels, they need refinished, but they're cleaned. And this is the destroyed headlight. It has a makeshift super glued single stud. The hole for that stud is more destroyed than I wanted, so I might just run over one stud. We'll see. But yeah, right now we're gonna shrink the coilovers so I get a little bit lower ride height and see if it fits the wheels better. So we're sitting in front of the Racelands right now. Do I need something else under there? Yes. Do I have the money? Not really, but I'll find something, probably used, and we'll work with it. These aren't even my spanner wrenches. We're gonna see if this even works. So that, oh Jesus, that nothing. That does nothing for me, but okay. You died. Why'd you do that? You don't need a 500th coilover adjustment video on YouTube. I'll just show you what I adjust and how far it actually is, and I'll get back to you. So I was mid-adjustment, but Izaac is here with the truck. We have to cut up his frame now. He was gonna mess with those seats. I don't know if I'll have time because this bed needs to come off, and it is already the middle of the afternoon.
It sucks.
Nah, suck this but stick is not suck.
Suck this by the stick. I'm a sucker by the stick.
The gigantic stands didn't work, so I had to use 100% of my brain. Makeshift jack stand. The fillet neck must come off. They're not 10s. I don't know if it's free or not. We must investigate. So this is the frame notch kit we're gonna try and get in before the day is over. Hopefully it's just 1.5 inch notch, but we have to cut the damn frame, and that is what we're most afraid of because none of us have ever done frame work, and this is Isaac's daily. That was one bed bolt out. That was honestly way easier than I thought. Okay, so I got the 6 bolts from the bed off that I was talking about that I know of. Okay, yeah, the bed is free. Izaac is disconnecting the tails. We got the fuel filling neck out. God, we're trying to do a calculated rush here because we've never done anything like this, and we gotta like get it done, you know. So we're like, ah. Oh. See, that's fucking. Oh.
Go up, seriously.
Oh shit. Can someone look under there? Is there still?
It's connected to something.
What is it?
Oh, there's a wire.
Okay, go down, go down.
Hold up, I think you said.
Isaac, take a look. We good?
Nope, nothing's connected.
Okay, go to the grass.
Go to the grass. Make it truck. And you're missing a part.
I love to see it. I love to see it. We're making progress for once. Okay, so the bed is off. The frame, we got most of it moved out of the way. We have that metal plate to cover the brake lines there because we don't really want to strip all the brake lines off of the truck. I have everything moved off of the top here. The ABS module's moved. All these lines are disconnected and out of the way. And then we're gonna lay that plate down again and then just set up bricks in front of the tank because we really don't want to drop the tank. You should probably drop the tank, but we got one fire extinguisher on my bench and one fire extinguisher in Colin's car. So this is the cutout for the first notch where I got to hit it with the plasma cutter. And yeah, we'll see how this goes. So I started trying to cut with my little Milwaukee cutoff tool right there, but it's just not efficient enough. I didn't want to break out the plasma cutter if I didn't have to because it's scary. Plasma cutters are scary. But I'm gonna have to, I think. Dude, this thing rips metal to shreds. That's sick. This thing is so cool, dude. Is there a fire? Can you look inside? Bro, the frame's smoking. Can you look inside?
No fire.
Can you see? Can you see? Can you? No fire. Is it on fire in there?
No, it just smells bad.
Just smoking? Okay. Damn. That's actually way easier than I thought. Oh, we can't use our template on this side. Oh my god. The inside of this meat. I'm going back into my laboratory.
What's the update?
I was cutting the frame, it was working. Then I popped my brake go. Okay, let's see if we can hammer it off now. Rude. I'm asking the real questions here. That's probably hot as shit. Now I just have to mimic this trapezoid on the back, and we're in business.
Cutting?
Honestly, I'll just use the plasma cutter.
Or can the plasma cutter not do it?
Oh, sorry, camera. I need to grind a little more so it can go, because it is too, currently the clearance is too tight.
Too tight.
What the hell? So the notch is good to go there.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right?
Hi, this is day 2 of notching Isaac's frame and everything else miscellaneous in between that you saw. We finished one notch, welded it, got it all sealed up and everything's good there, but you can see we made him drive home with no bed. And he had to go to school. Kevin, what do you think? Fucking bitch, dude. Get on my arm. Yes. Like disconnecting the battery, just get a wrench. Because you're confused by my tool drawer because your brain's tiny. Izaac, where'd you put my yellow impact?
I don't touch the yellow impact.
Yeah, you did. Did I torque your wheels yesterday?
No.
My side is not tilting. Is yours tilting? This is just thinking the end game here. What do you think? Stupid or half decent?
That's pretty mid. It's kind of lit. Man.
ABS module removed. I don't even know how this thing works because it's from like 1990. Fuel filler neck. We're cutting with all of this flammable and explosive shit still here because I don't want to drop a fuel tank, so we're just gonna put like a metal plate there and pray. Wow. What does that connect to? Something in your diff? Why are you just walking around with the helmet on?
Bro, I can't. I don't know what you want me to do.
A few moments later.
This is a tiny ass head design.
Oh.
Never mind. I can't grind it yet. My mark is still there. I came with it, dude. Don't worry. I'm so confused. This isn't going like the other side did at all. It feels like it's still attached on the inside, but we like can't see the inside. So I don't know why it would be attached. The wood, the metal house. But that side's good. I need a thing to pry it with. Hello, we are currently like, what time is it? A couple hours in. I have the thing cut out. I'm just cleaning it up so that we can put the brace actually in it, so that it's not like just open frame. And then we're good. So basically, I'd have to clean it up and then weld it, but I've broken 2 flatheads. This one exploded, the other one has no tip now. Frames are actually really tough. I don't know if you knew that. They're actually crazy strong. I guess they are like trucks. But we're destroying this one and it's working.
Suspicious activity going on.
Okay, so I think that fits great now.
It's pretty boring.
Is it on?
Yeah,
Are we
you're good.
filming?
Alright, you're good.
Hello. So we welded the front side of the thing there. Pretty good. No, not pretty good. Better than the other side, but not good. If anybody is like actually like a good welder, they're disappointed. But now I'm sitting on the diff here, welding the back side, and then we're gonna cover it with some spray undercoating, and we're good. And Isaac's going home, and then we're washing our hands like we never did this, just in case his frame snaps. Okay, so everything that we needed fabrication-wise is done. All the fabrication is all good there. The welds are clean, everything's good. We just have to spray undercoating on it and then put the bed back on. But that's kind of boring because I have footage of you of us taking the bed off for you. So we figured this is like a half outro. This is like, you got the content, we just got to spray rubber undercoating on it, but we'll give you the proof. We'll give you the proof of Izaac driving away, us jumping up in his bed, it not making frame noise. But yeah, I don't know, you'll see more 240 in the future, you'll see a little bit more Isaac's truck. He kind of wants to weld the diff, but last time we welded the diff, one of them exploded. Oh, it is gonna happen. One exploded, and we know a guy who blew up two. Izaac, you're probably gonna blow it up.
I don't care.
Okay, he doesn't care. You'll see more. You'll see more in the future. But that is Izaac truck nut. Not nut. Please tell me your truck doesn't nut.
On the rare occasion it does.
Bye bye. Bye bye.